Welcome viewers, Dr. JWA, Australia's covert narcissistic abuse. They hide the truth. When the future stopped asking permission. Have you ever wondered when tomorrow quietly stopped waiting for yesterday? For the longest time, every future plan carried an invisible condition. You would move forward if one last conversation happened, if one misunderstanding was finally resolved, if one answer eventually arrived. The future always stood waiting at the edge of another unfinished chapter. You believed patience was keeping hope alive. You never noticed hope had quietly postponed your life. Days became weeks, weeks quietly became seasons, not because nothing changed, but because every new beginning first asked permission from something that no longer existed. Then one ordinary morning a thought arrived that felt almost unfamiliar. What if tomorrow belongs to me, whether the past agrees or not? Nothing dramatic followed. The world remained exactly as it had been. Yet something inside the chronologically mind shifted. The future begins the moment it no longer requests approval from the past. Looking back, you realized your life had been paused by questions that could never build tomorrow. The answers you wanted were never capable of becoming foundations. Only the next ordinary step could do that. One decision, one quiet morning, one plan made without waiting for another explanation. The future had not been missing. It had simply been standing patiently beyond a doorway you'd stopped believing you could walk through. Viewers, recovery is rarely announced. It quietly begins the first day your life stops negotiating with yesterday and starts becoming available tomorrow. Viewers, the future does not arrive when the past is finished. It arrives when you stop asking the past for permission to begin living again today. And that's why Australia Covert Narcissistic Abuse series matters.